Hello, 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 hello. Yes. So today is, as you can see, where is it? Yes, Universal Hero Mail Day. Yes. So it's obviously Zeus Day, but I don't have the Zeus builder. So for me, it should be Ghost Rider Day. But no, Zeus potential is unlocked fully. And where is it? As you can see, I got 10 Universal books. Yes. So it's time to tier for him. And I have gathered I have to do some shitty stuff, but I have to, sell all of my non-storms and level up tickets, shit like that. But now I have 80 million. It should be enough to get him to tier 4. And let's see, is it enough or not? Artifact. I don't have his artifact. I didn't got it from the collector vault and all. Whatever this is, some shady stuff. Let me tell you this. This is some bitch ass shit because I hope, if not the artifact, at least give me the Mega Tier 2 tickets, but I just don't want to. So, what can I do? You know, uh, uh, what I was doing, yeah, I was about to Tier 4. So, let's start. Let's start this bank rolling. Yes, man, I hope I have enough. I don't care about the other stuff, but gold is bottleneck because you cannot get gold like as if you cannot get stuff at this very moment, but what can I do? And also the amount of time I have rolled this mighty CTPs, but did not got a what you say max roll, but at least I got this roll. It's in a point 0.9 and 160. At least this is good because I don't have any. I got this liberation from Team Battle Arena. Yes, I got this liberation from Team Battle Arena. CTP. I don't have any extra to roll this, and I got one conquest from the 1,000 crystal surprise 24-hour surprise shop. And yes, it's time to give it to Ghost Rider. Let me see because yeah, it's time that my Ghost Rider become PvP as other ways. Yeah, okay, now this is the main part. This is let me do skill first. Okay, I just hope the gold amount is enough because I don't want to spend more time gathering gold. Okay, I have 33,300 carbonadium and 30,800 soul of the felty. Let's see, and 41 million gold. Let's see, 9, 10. Okay, low numbers. 3 more low numbers, very good. 19 low number. 11, very good, very good, very good. And the first, what you say, gear is the most expensive one. So 6, okay, 8, 13, 14, 21, no, 31, no, 21 is not good. The belt of those 10, 11, 10, 2, yes, 23, 7, 1, okay, 8, 3, 29. Wow. Almost 30. Almost 30. And now it's time. And so on the gears we spend 5k, 5.4k, I think. Yeah, that was. And 3 point at least 4k, I think. Almost 4k. 3 or 4k solo the Felton. So yeah, we got a discount. Yes. Zeus was cheap. Wow. For an idiot tier 2. Wow. It did not. Let me just do this first. And it's so lame that they just using the T3 skill animation. But yes, he got 714 only 14,000 energy attack, 26,000 HP. Okay, lame. But okay. So how much was it all in? How much? Okay, it was maybe 400. Wow, it was less than 7,000. Wow, and less than and 5k solo the felting and 6,000 and 600 carbonadium. Wow, that was cheap. That was super cheap. Yes, that was super cheap. You know what? Before I do all, what you say, eh, ABX stuff, let me show you how he's in. What is this? GBR, yes, GBR. Wow, I am forgetting stuff now. And who else? Who else? Who else? This guy. This guy. How much this gives? 45. How much this gives? 40. How much you give? 50. Oh, yeah. And I think then yes. Let's see. Okay, Ghost Rider. Maybe he's okay. I don't remember his skill rotation. I think it's 1 2 3 5 4. Let's see. 2 1 3 5 4. I think. Oh, it should be ending on 4. Let's see. And if you are building a character like this, don't leave him at tier 2. Why even bother? Okay. Okay, the Ghost Rider is insane in front of him. But okay, this happens every time. Okay, this happens every time I make a video. I showcase the character. Why is the Ghost Rider in front of him insane? Wow. So it just invalidates everything. But whatever. Doesn't matter. I shall show you how he is. Okay, book. Okay, no universal book. I shall get that universal book. But I shall show you how he is in ABXABL. But not right now. Until then, bye bye. And thou shall receive my wrath.